many people waiting. Wait, Maya James, that's my name.
Hello, are you the Maya James family?
Yes.
Welcome to Costa Rica. Please follow me. The car is over there.
Welcome to Costa Rica, friends. Hotel Paraíso de Costa Rica, right?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you.
Wow, feel that air, it's so warm and soft.
It smells like flowers.
Finally, we reached the hotel.
On the count of 3, we launched the Operation No More Sleep. Adventure Day! Look, Dad, I found a boat. Let's sail to the volcano.
Oh my goodness! I was having a dream about a quiet spa, not a pirate invasion.
Is the volcano erupting, or is that just Peter's energy levels?
Look out the window, sleepyheads. The ocean is waiting and the sun is practically begging us to come out.
Wow. Okay, I'm awake. That view is worth 1,000 cups of coffee. So, are you guys ready? Let's go for breakfast.
Yes, let's go! Breakfast! All right, let's go. Coming!
I think I found my soulmate, and it's this stack of pancakes.
David, you said that about the croissants 5 minutes ago. Be careful, or the fruit will get jealous.
Everything is so colorful. It's like we're eating a rainbow for breakfast. Can I have a pancake for every seashell I find today? Of course, my dear.
Pura vida, amigos. Would you like to try the green jungle juice?
If it gives me the energy to keep up with these two, I'll take the whole pitcher.
Here you go. So what's the plan today?
We are going to the beach today. Finish your breakfast, hurry up. Then we go to the beach.
We are so excited to swim.
Watch out, Peter. The ocean is trying to tickle your toes.
I'm winning the water fight. Take that, Dad.
Ack! Salt water! My only weakness besides pancakes!
The water is so warm. It's like a giant blue bathtub, but with way better toys. Mom, let's make something with sand. This isn't just a sandcastle, Mom. This is a 5-star fortress for the Crab Queen.
I'm working on the west wing. We need high walls to keep out the toddlerzilla.
Hey, I'm not a toddlerzilla. I'm the delivery man. I brought the ball for the royal courtyard.
I'm the chief engineer. If the tide comes in and takes this down, I'm blaming Peter's construction permits.
Dad, just keep digging. The queen doesn't pay you to talk.
Finally, peace, quiet, and the sound of the waves.
It's perfect. Though I am still thinking about those pancakes. If you enjoy English learning stories like this,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.